and welcome. Today a little update about a few things. As you can see, the background is different. I'm on holidays now. I'm at the place of my parents. I gave her this painting and she liked it a lot. It's hanging somewhere in the house now. We are going to start a new painting, the 1m20 by 56. It has around 60,000 diamonds, so it will be a big challenge? No, it will be a lot of work. These are the diamonds, and yeah, there are a lot. And there is some news from my custom paintings. I contacted two shops, Hurricane and Ever Moments. In my first video about this, I was not really amazed by the service of Ever Moments. A viewer told me, yeah, but it's busy now, and so okay, maybe my comment and my not being happy about this company was too early, but actually they contacted me and the painting was almost twice the price than with Hurricane, so I ordered the painting on Hurricane. Actually I ordered two from them, and instead of sending those two together, they sent them separate, and one came last week. But yeah, I'm on holiday, so I cannot pick it up at the post office. I asked a friend if he can go, and I'm still waiting his answer. I think the post office will not give him my thing, but I told him, just tell him that I'm gone for 2 weeks, so maybe they will give it. I give him a copy of my passport, I give him the papers. So yeah, we shall see. And I contact Hurricane about the order, and actually they sent it separately. Because I had two numbers on AliExpress, and one says arrived on your destination, and first it says also it's delivered, and the other one says it's failed at the airline company. And I contact Hurricane about this, and they are not really replying me at this question that it failed at the service from the part that they ship it to the airline company, and the airline company sent it to French. In this part, it's only in the beginning, it's already failed, and they are not really replying at this message. If I contact them, they say, yeah, it's already delivered. Yeah, but it's just the first one you sent. And okay, and so I will see what happened with this one, if I ever get it or not, and how it works. I will contact them again. So yeah, this is how it is with the custom painting. In my previous video I said I will do an update. So actually I did not order it for the moment at Ever Moment. One, that it was more expensive, and a lot. I think 50%, it's a lot of money. And two, yeah, because I went on holiday and I was thinking, okay, if I order it now, okay, it's expensive, but it will arrive when I'm not there. And the one with Hurricane, I was thinking, okay, 3 weeks before I leave, so it could work, but not. Little update about my custom painting, my picture I gave to my mother, and now I'm going to start with the big painting, 1m20 by 56. I already controlled the diamonds if everything is there. So in my next video we are going to start with this big painting. If you're not following me for the moment, just subscribe to my channel, push the bell button, and you get a notification when I upload a video. Thank you for watching, thumbs up, and see you next time. Thank you, bye bye.